you sure surprised me when you said I'm gonna buy you a fridge. And why should you struggle when I could lend a helping hand? So tall and proud you can stand, and I gotta listen here, so don't keep it all inside. I'll keep your secrets till I die, and I never expected anything from you. I never expected this, and you sure surprised me when you said I'm gonna buy you a fridge. And I never expected anything from you. I never expected this, and you sure surprised me when you said, gonna buy you a fridge.